Good morning, Superstars. Today is Friday, April 24th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance in our school pledge.
Led by the students of Ms. Robbins' second grade class.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all. Now for our school pledge. Today I pledge to do my best for myself, my school, my country, and our world. I will listen, I will learn, I will work hard, and I will treat others with respect.
Now for a moment of quiet reflection. You may now be seated.
SEL Morning Motivator. Now, let's read our quote. Good morning. Today is a fresh start. Make it a great one. Good morning. I'm so proud of you all for being here today. You are doing great. SEL Connect. Let's make today the best day ever. Every morning we have that choice. Thanks for listening, and let's start every day the SEL way. Finally, our Friday wrap-up, Growth Achieved. This week I asked questions, researched answers, thought deeply, and collaborated with others. As an inquirer, I've learned that curiosity never ends. It keeps us learning every single day. Reporting live, I'm your host, reminding you to stay curious. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep asking, keep exploring, and keep learning. The weather for today is a high of 84 and a low of 61. It'll be mostly sunny with a 3% chance of rain.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yes.
The birthdays for today are Annie and Silas, Amelia and Coleman, Liberty and Montano, Kendall and Roccavato, Peyton and Willis, Janice and Murphy, and Celeste and Johnson. Please come to the office for your birthday pencil.
Happy birthday.
The lunch for today is cowboy nachos, cheese nachos, mini cheese calzones, turkey sandwich, turkey cheese sandwich, harvest cheddar chips, sun chips, crinkle cut sweet potato fries, seasoned green beans, carrot dippers, red grapes, juicy pineapple tibbets, and apple greens. Yum!
Breakfast for Monday is
You won't remember.
Today is National Fiddler's Frolic Day. Remember to
Be kind, help others, and make a difference. We hope everyone has a frolic Friday of teaching and learning. Bye.
That's bye in English.